Hello everybody. Have you guys ever wondered why when you try to open Bethesda Net Launcher on Linux, it just loads? Well, here's how you fix that. So pretty much, there's a thing called CoreFonts you need for Bethesda. Now I'm going to teach you how to install that today. So what you're going to want to do is install Winetricks. Do an apt install Winetricks. Go ahead and install it like this. Then you're going to want to open it. Just want to follow the prompts. There are many prompts you have. There are a decent amount of prompts you have to do. If this is all normal, don't worry about that error. So what we're going to do on yes, we're going to want to select default wine prefix, install font, then you'll select CoreFonts. I'll go ahead and download all this stuff. Now CoreFonts is now installed, so now you can use the Bethesda Net Launcher on any Linux distribution that supports it. Thanks for watching. Go and like and subscribe, everybody.